Egypt and Saudi Arabia signed several deals during the visit of Saudi Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman to Cairo last week. But the focus was on a $10 billion mutual fund. It covers Egypt's shares of what's called the NEOM project. But what's the new Saudi endeavor?
The concept started with His Royal Highness Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman last October 2017, and it is a project that will have a new beginning, a new concept, unprecedented concept in the region, and that will be 26,000 square kilometers of area, and it will be including parts of Egypt, Jordan, as well as Saudi Arabia. So it will be something that's very different than the existing systems and existing locations present now. So the project will be comprising new laws, whether labor laws or tax laws or investment laws, and it will hope to attract millions and millions of tourists to the region.
The NEOM is part of a new approach for the future of the kingdom.
NEOM is a dream project that will be a reality. On paper, it looks impossible, but it will be established because of the utmost support of the Saudi people and the King and Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman. It coincides with the 2030 vision announced by the Crown Prince last year. It's going to include trade, industries and services, but mainly touristic. We aim that by 2030, we will stop depending on oil as the main source of revenue. We have a vision and a young population. More than 70% of the total population is between 30 and 35 years old. So we have the youthful manpower that can adapt the ambitions of the leaders to make the 2030 vision a success.
Egypt has allocated 1,000 kilometers as part of the project. The King Salman Bridge, to begin construction later this year, will link the kingdom with Sinai along the Red Sea.
With the proposed bridge, tourists can spend some time on the eastern side, which is the Saudi side, and then they can cross over to Egypt and enjoy the sites of Egypt. So that will bring jobs to Egyptians, it will bring work for Egyptian construction companies, touristic companies, and so on. So it will bring a lot of revenue to Egypt, and it is also my understanding that there will be a $10 billion fund allocated for investment in the Egyptian side of NEOM. So that's $10 billion that will be pumped into the Egyptian economy.
The kingdom has forecast over $300 billion of investments in the coming 10 years. And the Saudis expect China to be involved.
China is a friend of Saudi Arabia and an ally. Part of our 2030 vision is the Silk Road, which will go from China to the other side of the world, and one of the reasons of the Salman Bridge between Egypt and the kingdom is to be part of the China Silk Road. China is an important country that will definitely invest in achieving our 2030 vision.
Indeed, the Crown Prince is planning a visit to Beijing soon. Not much details have been released yet about the type of projects or industries to be included in the NEOM city. But the Saudis have said that the details and the signed MOUs to begin work are expected to take place by mid-July. Hakim for CGTN, Cairo.